update on the garden, which failed. Not really failed, but this is one of the onions that sprouted and fell over and got overtaken by the weeds. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna work on this, guys. I'm gonna do a revamp on this next day or so. I'm gonna do the front yard first, and then I'll get back here and clean this backyard up. And then we'll get back on the chores again. I did break down the chicken coop. Well, actually, this is where they raised them, so I guess it'd be the what you call it. This is the brooder, I guess. The red containers there. That is what we used to keep their bedding in. I'm going to convert one of those into a ring catchment for the chicken coop. And I'm going to wire it in to the little feeder right there. Yeah, focus. And that little thing there. So we can just do as fill as we need. And then I'm going to kind of try to think about this a little bit to save some money and do a little smarter way. I'm going to take some, because the chickens will eat all this weeds, all of it. So instead of letting them out, we have hawks that know the chickens are here now, so they have to swarm the area. So what I'm going to do, I don't exactly know what they're called, but I'm going to use my little tiller. I'm going to go in here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it just yet, but I think maybe back there, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to till a spot. I'm going to build a little cage, so it's going to be about, I don't know, just whatever scrap of wood I have, maybe an inch or two high, and then I'm going to use that extra screen that I have. I can't hardly see it now. This screen, it's like chicken wire screen, and cover it. So what that's going to do is, hopefully the weeds or grass will seed in the dirt with their manure and stuff, and then grow through the wiring, the mesh, and they can eat it all the time. And but the thing is, they can't get to the roots, so they can't kill it like this, because this all here used to be all grass. And at one point, the grass, this here, dirt here, this coop, I mean, you've seen the other videos where this whole thing was turned, and the coop was like, the door was facing this way. We're right here in this spot right here. They just eat everything to the ground. I feed them every day, and they just don't get enough. And at one point, we had 14 chickens back here, and they just started dying off. And now we have a steady 8 for the last year or so. So, anyways, that's the plans for now, and then we'll keep going, and I'll update you guys. Oh, actually, you know what? Before I do this, sorry for the ending. I still have it back there. I know our backyard is crazy right now. I'm going to take the trampoline. I know I told you to have the trampoline thing there. That's the part they would jump on. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to figure out how to measure it, and I'm going to cut it and maybe put like a side of it, or maybe just on the front side right here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I'll get some shading for that. Then I get that shading thing come out all the time. And then I'll go from there. So, alright guys, that's it. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how the video is looking. This is, like I said, brand new phone. We've only had this phone for like 2 weeks. Well, actually, not even that. Yeah, it's just about just shy of 2 weeks. But yeah, within the next week or so, this backyard will be looking better, a lot better. So, alright guys, if I can, if you guys watch through, please like, subscribe, comment, help me out. And where you going? Alright, see you guys next one.